Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Boy, that could have been worse.
What happened, Terry?
Nothing serious. Just a little back-end bump.
Be careful.
I promise. Come on, guys, and help me unload. You're all set.
You're loaded up and ready to roll. You take care now.
Bye-bye, Terry.
Thanks, buddies. Okay, here comes the curve. I'd better slow down a bit. My brakes! I can't slow down!
Do do la 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 la.
Look out, cop! Sorry! Somebody please help me!
Wow, this is serious. I've got to find some help. Oh, that's it. Rescue team, Jin speaking. Oh, Cap. Jin, there's an emergency. Terry's in danger. Holy, Terry just exited the highway onto the 7th Street Stone Bridge.
Got it, Helly. Polly, I think taking Route 2 to get to the 7th Street Stone Bridge will be much faster. All right, so let's get there before Terry does. Helly, keep an eye out and tell us where he is.
We'll be waiting on the 7th Street Stone.
Okay. Terry!
Ellie, my brakes don't work. I can't stop.
Don't worry. The rescue team is on their way. Just try to stay on course.
I'll try to.
Helly, what's going on?
Terry's coming down the hill now.
All right, now are you two ready?
Right.